Hey, it's Kelly from MXHideout. Does your dirt bike have a rich or lean bog, but you're not sure if it's the pilot jet or the main jet? Well, the easiest way to tell is using my simple throttle position test. You just have to ask yourself, where or when is that bog happening? If the bog is right off of idle, so or that is almost always going to be the pilot jet circuit. This is because the pilot jet controls idle to roughly quarter turn throttle response. So when you're snapping that throttle right off of idle, your carb is trying to suck fuel through that pilot jet, and if it's not getting enough fuel or it's getting too much fuel, that air fuel mixture isn't going to burn efficiently, causing that bog, sputter, stutter, whatever it is, that hesitation, which is super annoying. Whereas if the bog or sputter is at full throttle, so that's more than likely going to be the main jet, because the main jet controls roughly 3/4 to full throttle position. That's the primary jet circuit sucking in the fuel when you're holding the throttle wide open. But you might be thinking, well, what if I go from idle to full throttle and it's bogging right away? You just have to think, is it bogging as soon as you get on the throttle and then accelerating, or is it starting to accelerate and then after the RPM kind of starts to rise and get up higher in the RPM range, then it's bogging or sputtering, cutting out? If it's right off idle or as soon as you get on the throttle and it's bogging, that's the pilot jet. But if you have to hold the throttle open and it takes a couple seconds to start bog or sputter, that's the main jet. And if you want to know if it's jetted too rich or too lean, you should grab my new free guide. It's the 6 alarming signs that your dirt bike is jetted too rich or too lean. The link is in the description below. I'm Kelly from MXHideout. Ride safe. Have fun.